Looking for the best soldering fume extractors? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 soldering fume extractors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Aoyue AO486 486 Benchtop Solder Smoke Absorber. Quiet operation. Effective carbon filter with some positive reviews. Affordable. An effective soldering smoke absorber with an easily replaceable carbon filter. The closer you can get it to the source, the better. Some owners say the motor puts out a bothersome odor. At number 2. Kulannder Handy Carry Solder Smoker Absorber. Effective and popular with consumers. Made of strong aluminium alloy. Price is low. Filter is easy to replace. A great choice for soldering smoke and fume removal, and the price is difficult to beat. The wiring is a bit tricky. At number 1. Valtcan Solder Smoke Absorber and Fume Remover. Includes 3 carbon filters. Can remove soldering smoke and also fumes from other activities, like nail paint. Compact, fits easily on a workbench. A highly effective unit that removes smoke and fumes on the workbench and in some other applications, too. It's pricier than some other options, but you're paying for better reliability and service. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.